name's Lisa from Family Gatherings. Today I'm going to do a little activity using water, and we're going to see what can sink and what can float. So you can also do this at home. You can just get a bowl, fill it half with water. I just went around my office and gathered different items, and you can do that at home. Get permission from your parents first to see if you can use it to put it in water. So what I have gathered is a sponge ball, a spoon, hand sanitizer bottle, a water bottle cap, a feather, a cookie cutter, a shell, and a pencil. So one by one I'm going to drop it in the water and we're going to see if it can sink or if it floats. Okay, let's try the hand sanitizer bottle. What do you think it's going to do? Do you think it will sink or do you think it will float? Let's find out. And it's floating. You can see it right on top of the water. Let's try the spoon. What do you think? Sink or float? Here it goes. And it went right to the bottom. I don't know if you could hear it, but it hit the bottom. Next up, the water bottle cap. Do you think it's going to sink or do you think it's going to float? And it's floating. You can see it right beside the hand sanitizer bottle. Next up, let's try our sponge ball. What do you think? Do you think it's going to sink or do you think it's going to float? Here it goes. And it is also floating. Yes. Let's try our shell. Do you think it's going to sink or do you think it's going to float? Let's find out. And it went right to the bottom. I heard it when it hit. Did you? Let's try our feather. Do you think it's going to sink or do you think it's going to float? It's floating. And oh, no, I have two more actually. So next one is going to be the cookie cutter. Do you think it's going to sink or float? It's floating. Can you see it? I'll move these out of the way. It's floating on top of the water. And the last one I have is a pencil. What do you think? Sink or float? I'm going to drop it in. It's floating also. I don't know if you can see it, but it is floating. I'll push it to the front. So there it is, and it pops back up. Okay, let's count these items, all the ones that are floating. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we had 6 items that floated on top of the water, and we had 1, 2 items that sank to the bottom. So again, you can try this at home. Just ask your parents to help you. You will need a bowl, fill it up half with water, go around your house and find different items, and you can see what will sink and what will float. Again, ask your parents to see what you can put in the water. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this. Ona, bye.